Alright, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little video on a little motor magic here. These are from Ptacs that I ripped. 6 that we picked up from the hotel the other day, and 2 that were in the trailer already that I needed to scrap out before we went and got the other 6. So yeah, these motors are almost always copper. For some reason, scrapping with Grandpa found one that was aluminum, but yeah, they're easy to get apart. Sometimes you gotta hold your finger underneath the screw because some of them turn. So yeah, I think what I'll do maybe is just go through all of them here and quick take all the screws out. And then that one, oh no. And they'll do that if you aren't careful.
So yeah, do you take these motors apart? Let me know in the comments below. Well, why won't that one go? Wow.
It's amazing how fast it'll twist that like that.
Oh yeah. So tell me what you guys been doing. Well, come on. Sometimes these will have little clips that bend over the edges instead of the bolts. And those I usually will just hit them little tabs with the grinder, and those will come right off. All right, there we go.
Now, if we just take a little hammer, we should be able to just pound these right out. So these are, I just put that in my shred. And we got ourselves a nice little copper motor. Probably have to cut these off, or it'll give you grief trying to get it out of there. Hate that when they don't come out all the way. You have to hit them with a hammer that way. More shred. Well, I forgot to cut the wires off, Dennis. Might as well cut these right away. Well, I got that in my hand. Sometimes they come right out, and other times you gotta beat on them a little bit. Or somebody said you put this in backwards. I don't know how that works, but it doesn't even want to go in there. Whoa, that one kind of flipped away. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there, baby. Boy, look at that, it's almost bending the shaft because it got these little wires holding it. There. Oh boy, here we go. 2 more. Last one. This is the one we've been looking for. There, that fit right in there. So yeah, we got a little bit of wire, and these are ready to be cut in half. I'm going to be building a hydraulic press to cut those in half, because the cutting them with the machete is a lot of work on this old man's arm. So I'm thinking I'm gonna build some type of a blade that I can hook onto a hydraulic press from Harbor Freight and just cut these stators in half. But Harbor Freight just switched companies that make their hydraulic presses, and the store by us don't have one yet, and it's still cold outside anyways, and I really don't want to be building it when it's cold, because I hate cold. So yeah, see how many of these we can pick up all at once. All right. So should we quick weigh them, see how much they weigh? Just for fun. I don't know how much they weigh after you take the copper out of them. Let's turn that on. Come on. So 14 pounds, 4 ounces. Yeah, if I haven't bored you to death why don't you go to my homepage and look for the video where I chop these in half with the machete. Or watch one of the cool videos that's on screen right now.